Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, we have this cool amazing part right here on my hand, and basically what this is the Apple MagSafe charger that you can use to wirelessly charge your phone or any kind of device that has the Qi wireless charging option. So this is basically kind of what it looks like, but let's open up and see what the product looks like first. So when we first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's pull it out. So they do provide you guys like the warranty and the instruction cards inside here. And right here we have the actual product itself, if you guys can see. So it does use a USB-C cable to activate it, and here is the product itself. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. So the cable itself is pretty long. So all we need to do is plug in the cable, and then you guys can attach this onto your phone. So for example, I have the phone case right here, so all I need to do is put it like this, and it sticks onto the back of the actual phone itself. And once you guys have this part plugged in, then you can wirelessly charge your phone. So ideally, they do recommend you guys use like the Apple charger with the 20 watts right here to charge it up. Or if you guys want to, you guys can use the Anchor charger that we have right here. But in this case right now, I'm just gonna plug it into a portable charger right here to show you guys whether or not it actually works. But it is more ideal for you guys to use the wall adapter right here or the one right here to wirelessly charge it even faster. So I have it plugged in right here, and we have the cable that I'm about to plug in right here. Alright, let's see if it works. Alright, so it does work, if you guys can see. So I'm not sure if you guys can see or not, but once we have the MagSafe charger plugged in, it's a little bit different of a logo or like what you guys can see when it's charging compared to regular wireless chargers. If you guys can see, let me show you guys again. So clip on, and that's what it basically shows. So when we have the MagSafe charger right here on without the case, it's actually much stronger, if you guys can see. It sticks on a lot better. And if I wanted to, I can even hang it like this. You guys can see how strong is it. But if I have it with the case on, it's actually not as strong. And I don't want to show you guys a test because I actually tried it out already. It would just slip off really easily. So if you guys do plan on using the MagSafe charger to like clip it onto a case like that and hold it like this, don't do it. It's gonna drop. But if you guys plan on using the MagSafe charger like this with the phone and hold it like that, it is safe to do it like that if you guys want to. So the product itself does work. If you guys can see, it works straight through this case that we have right here. And I have it plugged into my portable charger right here. But like I mentioned, it's more ideal for you guys to plug into your wall adapters or plug outlet like these. I do prefer using the Anchor one because it's much more portable and smaller compared to the Apple one that we have right here, if you guys can see. It's like a huge difference, but both of them works the same way. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom, and it'll definitely help this channel out and help this video out as well. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.